have less than 2 weeks left to file your taxes. And as the clock ticks down to the deadline, some of you may be thinking, hey, I don't need to file this year. Well, think again. Megan Bragg from our Verified team debunks a common myth.
The tax experts we've spoken to these past few months tell us a very common misconception is people don't think they make enough money to file their taxes. So the question is everyone who is employed required to file taxes? Let's verify. Our source is Mark Stieber, Chief Tax Information Officer at Jackson Hewitt Services and the IRS. According to the IRS, if your salary is below a certain threshold, you are not required to file your taxes. In 2021, the minimum annual income for single filing status if under age 65 is $12,550. If you are married filing jointly, the minimum for filing is $25,100 if both spouses are under 65. Head of household is $18,800 and qualifying widower is $25,100.
A lot of people work and they don't make enough money based on their filing status to have to file a tax return.
Chief Tax Information Officer Mark Stieber says although those people may not have to file, they should still consider it because they could actually get some money back from tax credits.
You might not have a filing requirement, but you certainly might have a filing opportunity to go get back those monies. And each year, 1 million people forego about $1 billion in uncollected tax refundable money.
So how do you know if you'd be leaving money on the table if you didn't file your taxes? If you go to the IRS website, you can answer questions that will let you know if you should file. Stieber says you can also speak with a tax specialist as well. So we can verify that no, not everyone who is employed needs to submit that 1040. People who are under a certain salary threshold aren't required to. However, tax experts say you should check to see if you can get any money back, which would make filing your taxes worthwhile. With your Verify, I'm Megan Bragg.
And if there's something you'd like us to verify, you can email verify@12newsnow.com or you can direct message us on one of our social media accounts.